Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine by the grace of God and you all are fighting fit. So today what we are going to learn, the much asked concept. Everybody is asking that ma'am, to and to एक ही sentence में how we are going to use and what does it mean, please explain it to us. So चलो हम बड़े मज़े से बड़े अच्छे से ये समझते हैं कि to and to how we are going to express when we are speaking this particular sentence. अब यहाँ पे the most important thing is you will understand is it is negative in sense. When we are using to and to एक ही sentence में आपको हैरानी होगी that it is making a negative sense of that sentence. Yes, so हम to and to को एक sentence में नहीं use करते हैं. For example, I am too happy to see you. अब what does it mean? आप एक तरफ तो बहुत खुश हो उसको देख के, I am too happy to see you today. But what does it mean? I am so happy that I cannot see you. जबकि आप सामने खड़े हो. Right. So it is negative in sense कि मैं तुम्हें देख नहीं पा रहा, मैं इतना खुश हूँ. So what we have to say in this case? I am so happy to see you. So don't use to and to in one structure. So I am so happy to see you. Let's understand this with few examples that I have written on the board. देखो, he is too tired to work anymore. तो अब he is too tired to work anymore. No, he is so tired that he cannot work anymore. So up to is he is too tired that he cannot work anymore. ये भी correct है, but he is too tired to work anymore is not correct, which most of us are using because it is making negative in sense. The second one is here, the mango is too rotten to eat for me. क्या बोल रहे हो आप? The mango is so rotten that I cannot eat. और the mango is too rotten to eat. मैंगो इतना सड़ा हुआ है कि मैं खा नहीं सकता. So it is making negative in sense. Again, you will be too late to catch the first bus. Now how it says, you will be so late that you will not catch the first bus. So you will be so late. So here in this case, don't use this, don't use this, don't use this. So too tired to walk, we use so tired that he cannot walk. Second is the mango is so rotten that he could not eat. Right? So you will be too late to catch the first bus. You will be so late that you will not catch the first bus. Rather than saying you will be too late to catch the first bus. Never say like that. It is negative in sense. So what is, आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are so late. तुम इतना late हो कि तुम first bus catch नहीं कर पाओगे. So it is negative in sense. So we use this sentence. Now the last sentence is, he is too intelligent not to understand this question. He is too intelligent not to understand this question means witty question. अगर आपने कोई joke भेजा है, सो वो इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि आपकी ये बेकार वाली जो विटी क्वेश्चन है ना उसकी समझ में नहीं आएगा. सो इट इज़ नेगेटिव इन सेंस. सो यहाँ हम क्या कहेंगे? ही इज़ सो इंटेलिजेंट दैट ही कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दिस विटी क्वेश्चन. So he is so intelligent that he cannot understand this witty question. Right? Yes. So whenever we are using to and to, it is negative in sense. So हम एक sentence में इसको ना use करके we are using so and he cannot, he could not and he is not able to. So it makes negative in sense. Practice more of such sentences and be an ace speaker. Bye bye for now.